Political violence and Goonism witnessed in Homa Bay on Sunday has angered Kenyans. But even more troubling is the apparent speed with which security agencies have pursued panga-wielding youth, while questions over who financed, mobilized and unleashed them remains unanswered. With explosive claims involving Homa Bay Town MP Peter Kaluma and Governor Gladys Wanga making serious discussions, the question is simple. Is Kenya pursuing political violence all the way up the chain of command, or are some people simply untouchable? KTN senior security reporter Francis Ontomwa has more.
Horrific images from the Linda Mwananchi rally in Homa Bay on Sunday, haunting scenes that must never happen in a supposed democratic country like Kenya. 24 hours later, and remarkably, the state still doesn't know who organized the skirmishes. The National Police Service only saying in a statement that they have arrested some 15 suspects in possession of crude weapons. Again, those who recruited, financed, and sent them to attack are still not known. This is Peter Kaluma, the Member of Parliament for Homa Bay Town. In his native Luo language, he is captured in this video making incendiary remarks, declaring that the one-term phrase is prohibited in Homa Bay County. He warns those uttering the phrase of dire consequences. In fact, cautions hotels in the town against hosting those in the one-term camp. Hours later, violence erupts. Just who is this man Kaluma? He brags of being a ranking member of the broad-based government, a lawmaker serving his third term. And get this, a senior advocate of the High Court of Kenya, a man who by his own professional calling should know a thing or two about the Constitution, the rule of law, the rights of citizens, and the consequences of inciting or threatening political violence. To this point, there is no public evidence that action has been taken against him.
I have credible intelligence that PS Raymond Omolo and Gladys Wanga have organized on Sunday goons to beat people and kill people in Homa Bay against leader Mwananchi.
Shagwa, mimi nataka utoe jina yangu kwa mdomo yako. Na pia utoe jina ya baba Raila Amolo Odinga kwa mdomo yako.
Just what exactly did Gachagua know about these extraordinary allegations? What did Governor Wanga and PS Omolo know about the security situation? And what did they do to prevent what followed in their official capacities? And what about the country's top security chiefs? Why the deafening silence on the Homa Bay political circus?
I, Ranson Mulele Ingonga.
DPP Ranson Ingonga warned on August 6th that politicians making inflammatory remarks and sponsoring criminal gangs will face prosecution. In fact, he established a special elections preparedness committee to deal with election-related offenses ahead of 2027. And so, in the case of Homa Bay, where is the DPP? Equally, why is NCIC, the constitutional body mandated to crack the whip on inflammatory remarks, silent? Francis Ontomwa, KTN.